Hi everybody, my name is Darian. I'm going to be starting in Texas Connections Academy. I'm going to be doing my first year unboxing for 6th grade. Okay, let's start the unboxing. I'm so excited.
Mommy.
So it looks like we got the science kit. We got all these different books. And they look really interesting. And I'm pretty sure that most of these are from reading and history. Now this one is from math. I'm sure about that. It says mathematics. And the last one, world studies. And that'll be all for today's unboxing. One more thing, my mom told me that the science book is online. And yeah. Oh, one more thing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.